Google's AI crawler evaluates every new website against automated filters. It bypasses creator passion, scanning instead for entity signals, indexing health, and content depth. The results are brutal. 85% of first-time applications fail. Google rejects these sites as ghost towns, anonymous, slow-loading, and filled with unedited AI content that the crawler simply ignores. To even enter the review process, you must satisfy several technical prerequisites. You need a live WordPress site on a custom domain, an active SSL certificate, and at least 15 original articles. The review process now functions as a rigid technical checklist. A single missing verification marker, from author identity to server response times, results in an automatic refusal from the review servers. Passing that checklist begins with proving your identity. Google's review system uses publisher identity as the foundational trust signal for the entire website. Many beginners rely on free generators for their privacy policy and terms of service. This is a fatal error. The crawler recognizes that identical boilerplate text across thousands of sites and flags it as a signal of a low-effort clone. You need custom-authored about and contact pages. Feature a named author with stated credentials, and provide a functional contact method to show there is a real person accountable for the content. Digital anonymity leads to automatic disqualification. This is true for high-stakes niches like finance or medical advice, where Google applies its strictest review standards. Once your identity is verified, the focus shifts to a single metric for content quality: information gain. Every article should reach a minimum of 920 words. Publishing raw, unedited AI output is a direct route to rejection because the model only provides information that already exists in Google's index. You must inject proprietary data into your posts. This means building your own comparison tables or documenting outcomes from lived experiences. These elements serve as proof of direct human involvement, showing you actually used the tools you are writing about. Google's algorithms classify generic text as a worthless commodity. In this landscape, your personal perspective and original data are the only assets that make a page worth monetizing. Even perfect content is useless if Google's web crawlers haven't recognized its existence. You must verify that your site is actually visible to the search network before applying to the ad network. This represents your site architecture. Check the Pages Not Indexed report in Google Search Console. Look for Discovered, currently not indexed. If over 30% of articles carry this label, your application is denied, because bots cannot reach your content. Repair your index status by strengthening internal linking between posts and submitting manual URL inspection requests. You should see at least 15 posts marked as indexed before you hit submit. The core logic is simple. The advertising network will not place ads on content that the search network refuses to index. Beyond the content, there is a physical hardware barrier to entry: your site's delivery speed. Google uses a metric called largest contentful paint. It measures exactly how long it takes for your main content to appear on a user's screen. For the 2026 review cycle, you have a maximum ceiling of 2.5 seconds on mobile devices. Use Page Speed Insights to verify this. If your LCP is higher, you must compress your images and prune your plugins to bring it down. If your site fails the LCP threshold, the review bot classifies the entire site as broken. This leads to an immediate administrative rejection, regardless of how well you have written your articles. Once you have audited your content and your speed, you are ready to apply using the official WordPress ecosystem. Go to your WordPress plugin directory and install SiteKit by Google. This is the all-in-one integration for Search Console, Analytics, and AdSense. Follow the guided setup. SiteKit automatically places the AdSense verification code on your site for you. This ensures your setup follows Google's recommended path and eliminates the risk of coding errors. Using official tools establishes a verifiable chain of custody directly with the review servers, which helps streamline the final approval process. After submitting, your site enters a state of active algorithmic review. This is the final holding pattern. The review typically takes 1 to 14 days. During this window, you must not change your website theme and maintain a consistent schedule of publishing at least 2 new articles per week. Surviving this audit establishes the baseline trust needed to scale your traffic and access higher-paying global ad demand. Passing the checklist is simply the first step in turning your site into a sustainable revenue stream.